Hello my lovely students, welcome back to my channel. So this is Khushi and today we are going to start with worksheet 3 of chapter perimeter. Okay, we have already completed worksheet 1 and 2. So let's start with worksheet 3 now. Okay, so our question 1 is solve the following word problems in that A part. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is what? Length is 12. This is the length part and this is breadth 8 centimeter. Okay, I have already explained this in the explanation video. So those who haven't watched the explanation video can go there and watch that first. Okay, so now let's start with the perimeter, finding it. So let's name this rectangle as ABCD. So perimeter of a rectangle is what? It's 2 into L plus B. Okay. So, perimeter is equals to 2 into length is what? 12 plus breadth is what? 8. So, perimeter is equals to 2 into 12 plus 8 is 20. Okay, you can remove the bracket now. So, perimeter is equals to 2 into 20. So, 20 into 2 is 40. So, I am showing you also here it's 40. So, 40 and the unit is centimeter. So, our first answer is what? 40 centimeter. Okay. B question is calculate the perimeter of the square whose sides are given. So we have to now calculate the perimeter of a square. Okay. So let's start with our A part, that is 6 centimeter. Okay. So this is a square ABCD. Side is given us as 6 centimeter. Now in a square all sides are equal. That means all sides are what? 6 centimeter. Okay. Now perimeter of a square is what? The formula is 4 into side. So perimeter will be 4 into 6 and in the without bracket centimeter. So perimeter is equals to 6 fours are 24 and centimeter. So our first answer is 24 centimeter. Second answer, so again a square I have drawn here, that is ABCD. And the side given here is now 11 meter. So all the sides will be 11 meter because all sides are what? Equal in a square. So perimeter is equals to 4 into side. So perimeter will be 4 into 11. So perimeter will be 44 meter. Okay, sorry, meter here. So perimeter will be 44 meter. Coming to our C part, that is 26 centimeter. So drawing a square here and then A, B, C, D and all the sides are what? 26 because all sides are equal in a square. So putting the formula, perimeter is equals to 4 into side. So perimeter will be 4 into 26 and centimeter. So perimeter will be, now let's multiply 26 and 4. So 26 into 4. 4 6 are 24. 2 carry. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. So we are getting 104. So 104 centimeter. So perimeter is 104 centimeter. So we have completed with a B question, ABC, all the parts. Okay. So now coming to our C question, that is the length of three sides of a triangle are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Find the perimeter. So a triangle is there in which three sides are there. A, B, C. Triangle is there. Sides are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Okay. We have to find the perimeter. So what is the formula of perimeter of triangle? That is sum of three sides. Okay. Sum of three sides. That means perimeter is equals to 10 plus 8 plus 6. And centimeter. So perimeter is equals to 10 plus 8, 18 and 18 plus 6, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 centimeter. So perimeter is equals to 24 centimeter. We have completed with our C question. So now coming to our fourth question, that is a boy runs around a rectangular field, the length of which is 35 meters and the breadth is 20 meters. How much distance will he run? So a rectangular field is there and the length is what? 35 meters and breadth is what? 20 meters. So it's found out that how much we have to find that how much distance that the child will run. Okay, so if this is 35, then this is also 35 because both are length, both are breadth. Okay, so now to find the total distance, it means we have to add all of them, then only we'll get final distance now of this track, of this path, that how much will the child run. But we'll do this question with the formula because rectangle's formula is there. Okay, we just not simply plus it, we just not simply add it, we will do it with the formula. So perimeter of a rectangle is what? First of all, let's write what is given. So length is given as 35 meters. Then breadth is given to us as 20 meters. Okay, length is given 35, breadth is given 20. Now perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B. So perimeter is 2 into length is 35 plus breadth is 20. So perimeter will be 2 into now 35 plus 20. So 5 and 5, 55. Okay, now perimeter is equals to 55 into 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 11. So we are getting 110. And what is the unit given to us? Meter. So perimeter is 110. That means what? We'll write therefore the child will cover a distance of, therefore the child will cover a distance of 110 meters. Okay, child will run how many meters? 110 meters. Okay, so we have completed with our question number 4. So coming to our E question now, Sheila wants to fix a ribbon along the border of a painting. If the length and breadth of the painting are 36 cm and 15 cm respectively, how much ribbon is required by Sheila? Okay, so a painting is there and the length and breadth of the painting are 36 cm and 15 cm. If length and breadth is given, that means you can find out which figure is there, which in which shape is the painting there. The painting is of the shape of a rectangle because length and breadth are given. That means the painting is like this, in which length is 36 centimeter and breadth is 15 centimeter. Now Sheila wants to fix the border. So Sheila wants to fix the border here. Okay, so she wants to find the total ribbon required. Okay, so if this is 36, this is also 36 because these two are length and these two are breadth. Okay, so now first of all, let's write what is given to us. So length of the painting is equals to 36 centimeter. Then breadth of the painting is equals to 15 centimeter. Okay, perimeter now let's find. So perimeter is equals to, rectangle's formula is 2 into L plus B. So perimeter is equals to 2 into length is 36 plus breadth 15 centimeter. So perimeter is 2 into 36 plus 15. 36 plus 15 is what? 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 carry. 3, 4, 5. 51. Okay, centimeter. So perimeter is now 51 into 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. So we are getting what? 102 centimeter. Okay, so now last line is what? Last line I am writing here. So how much ribbon is required by Sheila? So Sheila requires 102 centimeter of a ribbon. Okay, Sheila needs this much of a ribbon, 102 centimeter of a ribbon. So we have completed with our E question, in which length and breadth were given and we need to find the total ribbon required. So we just put the formula and into that we just put the numbers and we got our answers. Okay, so length and breadth is given. Remember that the figure is in a shape of a rectangle. Okay, so now we have completed with our E question. Let's come to our next question. So our next question is F part. Raju has to frame a square photo having one side of length 12 centimeter. How much material will Raju require for this job? So Raju has to frame a square photo. That means the photo is in which figure? A square figure. Okay. Then length of one side is what? 12 centimeter. In a square, all the sides are what? All the sides are equal. That means all the sides are what? 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Okay. How much material will Raju require for this job? So we have to tell in total how much material will Raju require. So first of all, let's write, has to frame a photo one side of having length. So length of each side is equals to 12 centimeters. So perimeter is equals to 4 into side, the formula. Then perimeter is equals to 4 into 12 and centimeters. So perimeter is equals to 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 48 centimeters. So this is the perimeter. So in last, what can we write? Therefore, the total material required is 48 centimeters. That means Raju has to take total material of 48 centimeter to frame this photo. Okay, because each side is 12. So we have put the formula 4 into side and the total perimeter we got is 48 centimeter. And perimeter means what? Sum of all the boundaries or sum of all the sides. So all sides are 48. That means total 48 centimeter material he needs to frame this photograph. Okay, so we have completed with our F question. So our G question is, a boy runs 2 times around a field, the length of which is 62 meter and breadth is 40 meter. Okay, find the distance covered by him. So field is there, a rectangular field, because length and breadth is given. So understood, the field is rectangular. Length is 62 meter and breadth is 40 meter. Okay, and the boy runs how many rounds? 2 rounds. Okay, 2 times the boy runs, so the child runs. We have to find the total distance covered by him. So let's write first length of the field. Length of the field is what? 62 meter. Then breadth of the field. Okay, breadth of the field is what? 40 meter. Now this is 62, this is 40. Okay, perimeter let's find to get the total distance. Okay, so perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So perimeter is equals to 2 into length is 62 plus 40. So perimeter is 2 into it's meter. Yes, so we'll write here meter. So 62 plus 40, that is 2 and 10. So 102 meters. Yes, next perimeter is equals to 102 into 2, that means 204. 204 meter we are getting perimeter. Now remember, this perimeter is what? The total distance. Yes, that means if the child will start from here, he will run, come here, then he will cover how much? 204 meter. But here the boy ran how many times? 2 times. Yes. So this is only 1 time. Okay. This is only the distance covered by him in 1 time. So to take out in 2 times, what we have to do? Now after this part, I am writing here. Okay. After this, writing here. So it will be the distance covered in 2 rounds, or you can say 2 times. Okay. Or times is equals to perimeter into 2. So perimeter is what? 204 into 2 and meter we'll get is equals to. So 204 into 2 is what? 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So our answer will be what? 400 meter. This is our final answer. Okay. First we found the perimeter, that means the total distance, that is telling us about only 1 time. Okay, in 1 time the child is running how much? How much is the distance? That is 204 meter. But if the child is running 2 times, then we have to multiply the perimeter with 2. If the child is running 3 times, then perimeter multiply by 3. Child is running 4 times, perimeter multiply by 4. Okay, so here it was 2, so perimeter multiply by 2, that is 408 meter. Okay, so we have completed with our G question. So now coming to our H question, that is Tina ran around a rectangular garden of length 12 meter and breadth 8 meter. Meena ran around a square field of side 11 meter. Who covered more distance and by how much? So first of all, I am dividing the space into two so that I can write about both. Okay. So Tina's we'll do here and Meena's we'll do here. Okay. So Tina ran around a rectangular garden of length 12 meter, breadth 8 meter. So rectangular garden is there, length is 12, breadth is 8. Okay, so breadth is 8 meter, length is 12 meter. This is also 12, this is also 8. Okay, now Meena ran around a square field of side 11 meter. So each side is what? Each side is 11 meter. So square garden is there and then what is the side? 11 meter. Okay, here also you can name it as A, B, C, D. Now we have to find who covered more distance and by how much. Okay, so first find who covered more distance. So perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B. First I am doing Tina. So first rectangular garden. Okay, so perimeter will be 2 into length is what? 12. Breadth is what? 8. So perimeter will be 2 into 12 plus 8 is 20. Okay, and the unit is what? Meter. Now perimeter is equals to 2 into 20 is what? 40 meter. So here I am getting the perimeter 40. Now let's come to Meena's side. So each side is 11. So perimeter is 4 into side squares formula. Okay, so perimeter will be 4 into 11. Then perimeter will be 11 into 4 is 44. So 44 meter. So who covered more distance? Meena covered more distance. So therefore Meena covered more distance. Now our second part of the question is by how much, means how much distance she covered more. So for finding how much distance she covered more, we'll subtract Tina's distance from Meena's distance. So we'll subtract 44 minus 40. Okay, Tina's distance. So we'll get what? 4 left. So Meena covered more distance by 4 meters. Okay, first of all Meena covered more and by how much? By 4 meter. Okay, she covered 40, she covered 44. So 4 plus she covered, yes, 4 meters more she has ran. So by how much? By 4 meters Meena covered more distance. Okay, so we have completed our H question and this was the last question of worksheet 3 of the chapter perimeter. Okay, so we have finished with our worksheet 3. So we have also done worksheet 1 and 2. So if you haven't done those, then go to the channel and then do those worksheets too. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do encourage me with your lovely comments and bye to all.